Hello students, in previous video we have completed the explanation of our next lesson Kathmandu, which is written by Vikram Seth. So students, today we are doing the textbook questions. Now question number 1, answer these questions in 1 or 2 words or in the short phrases. First one is name the 2 temples the author visited in Kathmandu. काठमांडू में ऑथर ने जो 2 टेम्पल विजिट किए थे उनके नाम बताने हैं. सो द आंसर इज द पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल एंड द बौद्धनाथ स्तूप. Second, the writer says, all this I washed down with Coca-Cola. What does all this refer to? राइटर लिखते हैं, राइटर कहते हैं कि ऑल दिस आई वॉश डाउन विथ कोका कोला, जो भी कि उन्होंने ये सारी चीजों को कोका कोला से धो दिया. व्हाट डज ऑल दिस रेफर टू? ऑल दिस इस सेंटेंस में व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑल दिस? एंड द आंसर इज ऑल दिस मीन्स द कॉर्न ऑन द कॉब, लव स्टोरी, कॉमिक्स एंड अ रीडर्स डाइजेस्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what does Vikram Seth compare to the quills of a porcupine? विक्रम सेठ झाऊ-मूसे के कांटों की तो जो कंपैरिजन है वो किससे करते हैं? एंड द आंसर इज टू द बांसुरीज protruding in all directions from the pole attachment. Question number 4, name 5 kinds of fluids. 5 kind की जो fluids होती हैं उनके नाम बताने हैं. And the answer is the reed नेह, the recorder, the Japanese shakuhachi, the bansuri of Hindustani classical music, the breathy fluids of South America, and the high-pitched Chinese fluid. Now students, go to the next question. Answer each questions in a short paragraph. Question 1. What difference does the author note between the fluid seller and other hawkers? ऑथर ने एक बांसुरी बेचने वाले और अन्य फेरी वाले जो अन्य हॉकर्स थे उनके बीच में क्या डिफरेंस देखा, क्या अंतर देखा? एंड द आंसर इज to sell his wares, the fluid seller does not cry like other hawkers. From time to time, he stands the pole to which the bansuri are attached on the ground. Then he plays music on his flute. He does not appear to be very keen on selling the fluids. Question number 2. What is the belief at Pashupatinath about the end of Kali Yuga? पशुपतिनाथ में कलयुग के अंत के बारे में क्या धारणा है, क्या मानना है? एंड द आंसर इज देयर इज अ लिटिल श्रीन ऑन द बैंक ऑफ होली भागमती. इट इज हाफ sunk in water. Nepalese believe that a goddess is inside the shrine. When the shrine comes out of water fully, the goddess will come out, then Kali Yuga will end. Question number 3. The author has drawn powerful images and pictures. Pick out 3 examples each of. First one is the atmosphere of febrile confusion outside the temple of Pashupatinath. For example, some people trying to get the priest's attention are elbowed aside. And the answer is large number of devotees, animals, birds, hawkers and shopkeepers. Second, the things he sees. जो चीजें वह देखता है, कौन? Author. And the things he sees are a sign proclaiming entrance for the Hindus only, a group of Westerners struggling to enter, the bazaar of Kathmandu, or fight between 2 monkeys. Third, the sounds he hears. किस तरह की आवाजें सुन रहा है? And the answer is the sounds he hears screaming of a monkey, cries of hawkers, the music of the flute. So students, here we complete our first and second question, and in next video we are doing the next questions. So all of you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.